Welcome to the 200 subscriber and holiday special episode of Beyond the Bag. Today we are going to bring on the holiday season with pumpkin spice tea. To start, we are going to add a teaspoon of black tea loose leaf to a tea ball. Also, a quarter teaspoon of cinnamon, a quarter teaspoon of allspice, and finally a teaspoon of cloves. We are going to place the tea ball in a mug and fill it almost full with hot water. Then we are going to let it steep for about 5 minutes to pull all those wonderful spice flavors. While we wait for that to steep, I just wanted to say thank you to my subscribers. I couldn't have made it this far without you, and I hope to continue to deliver more tea-related videos to you long into the future. Once the tea has finished steeping, remove the tea ball. At this point, you can add sweetener if you like. Then top off the mug with some milk or cream. And there you have it, a delicious pumpkin spice tea for the holidays. Cheers! Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any of our future videos. You can also find additional content on our social media and blog.